This is one good looking truck. Again, the Platinum F-150, 2013 is the year. It's a pre-owned truck at Ravenel Ford. What a good looking one. Today on this video, we'll be going over this truck. I'm going to show you the current condition of this vehicle because again, it is a pre-owned car at Ravenel Ford. So if I see any major dents, dings, or scratches on this truck, I'll point them out to you. And let's go ahead and start looking at it. So, absolutely beautiful truck. Ford F-150 badge right there in the headlights. You got projector headlamps, look really good. The grille looks nice. Fog lights down at the bottom. And so far the front's looking good. No major rock chips or anything like that we can see on the front bumper. In great shape. Hood's looking good. No oxidation on the paint. The paint is beautiful. Wow, what a good looking vehicle. I like how the front windshield is tinted on this truck, so it gives it another sleek look along with the tinted windows on the sides. Let's go ahead and look down the side body of this vehicle. As you can see, no waves, no dents, no dings going on there, folks. Tires are in great shape. These are BF Goodrich all-terrain tires with 20-inch polished aluminum alloy wheels. Plenty of tread left there for you, as you can see right now. Again, they are pre-owned tires, so not brand new, but still got a nice amount of tread left on those tires for you, so you don't have to replace them anytime soon after buying this vehicle. The badge is looking good. The Platinum, wow, this bad boy is loaded. Again, you got tinted windows on the side, full four-door. I do notice a little scratch right there, if you can see it. It does have some touch-up paint in it. Does still have a warranty on the truck as well, so that's good stuff. 4x4, of course, it's going to have that four-wheel drive for you to get the job done here in the Carolinas. Back of the truck looks nice. Got a tow package on the back there for you. Backup camera right up under there, so you can see exactly what's going on. And the Platinum, you can tell it's a Platinum just by the back of the tailgate right here. It's got the huge logo, the silver satin finish. Let's take a look back here. Drops down, you got a bed liner in the back. It's a spray-in bed liner right here, and then you got a nice mat right there for you, and it's sprayed under there as well. And a back window that opens and closes so you can throw that puppy dog a bone. This is a really nice feature on the F-150. Basically right here, and this will drop down as a step. That pole comes up, you can grab it and get right back into the truck. So it makes it a little bit safer to get inside the back of the truck when you got a load to get out or whatever's going on. Let's take a look at the interior. Before we do, look at the side of the body here. Really good shape. As you can see, again, no major dents, stings, or scratches on the driver's side of the truck. I do like how this drops down for you when you actually go to get in. Watch this one more time. It closes up. So you got a little keypad here. You can punch your code in. But once you open the door, that drops down, put your nice big old crock right there, and get on inside the interior of the truck. One thing I noticed on the Platinum is you got your wood trim right here, looks good, but you got that nice Sony logo there for that stereo system inside of here. But your leather interior is a little bit different than all the other F-150s, and it's definitely a noticeable feature here. As you can see, it's kind of got an amaretto leather interior, got Platinum right there, perforated with the holes in it, lets it breathe and stay cooler. Your key is very nice. You do have remote start. I went ahead and cranked the truck up just a few minutes ago before hopping in on this cold, chilly day in January 2016. So the car is about 3 years old right now. Let's go ahead and hop in on the inside and look around. Steering wheel looks good, nice and clean. I love how Ford's done a great job on all these gauges inside the truck. And look how many miles. 36,684 on the mileage, not bad. Just put your key in the ignition just like this. Okay, then turn the key. She's alive. I'm loving all the graphics and the digital display. Looks really good. It's nice and big. I mean, the interior on this truck is really clean. You got your Indiglow going on right there. At nighttime, it's an absolutely beautiful vehicle to ride in. I mean, this is like your limousine of trucks, folks. Does have a sunroof up top right there for those beautiful Carolina skies. Home link, sunglass holders, more lights. Again, that back window closes down and up. So that's a really nice feature. And then more cup holders right there as well. The leather's in great shape on this vehicle. No rips, no tears. You got tons of techie stuff inside. I mean, look at that. USB ports, 2 of them, an SD card slot, and a little bit of other stuff there for you. Overall, a really beautiful truck. $42,900 is the price on this F-150 Platinum package. So if that is in your price range or you're close to it, give us a call. You know we'll make you a deal. Put you in this beautiful F-150 Platinum. Back seats are in great shape as well. As you can see right now in the video, floors are clean. You got rear air in the back. You got a 150 watt, 110 volt outlet in the back right there for you as well. And a traditional 12 volt power outlet, rear air. Man, I mean, just overall a beautiful truck. You see a little more detailed information right there. 2013 F-150 Platinum Crew 4x4. This bad boy is loaded. $42,890. Estimated payment around $520 a month. 14 mile per gallon, 19 in the city, 5.0 liter V8. Get the job done, I'm telling you. One owner by Carfax as well. Give them a call at that number right there and go ahead and say, I want that black Ford F-150 Platinum that I just saw in the video on YouTube. This is a clean truck, folks. Again, come on down to Ravenel Ford. We're in Ravenel, South Carolina. That's Highway 17, Savannah Highway, coming out of Charleston. Or if you're out that way, you're coming from Buford, Hilton Head, Savannah direction. Come on down. This is where this truck sits at. It's waiting for a new home with you. We'll see you soon.